Welcome back to the Overview of Marketing lecture series. In this video, we'll focus on marketing in the real world. First, let's start with why you should study marketing. There are really 4 compelling reasons to understand marketing, and they affect all of us. First, let's talk about society. We live in a world where we want what we want when we want it. Think about it. You can order food and have it to your door in 30 minutes. You can stream any movie instantly. You can shop at 2 a.m. in your pajamas. This convenience doesn't happen by accident. Marketing helps connect what society wants with what's available, making our lives easier and more efficient. Second, there's the business perspective. For any company, whether it's a startup or a Fortune 500 company, marketing is absolutely critical for survival, profits, and growth. Without effective marketing, even the best products can fail. Marketing is what helps businesses understand their customers, communicate value, and ultimately stay competitive in the marketplace. Third, let's talk careers. Here's a surprising statistic. Between 1/4 and 1/3 of the US workforce performs marketing activities. That's millions of people. Whether you want to work in social media, management, sales, finance, market research, or digital advertising, marketing offers incredibly diverse career paths with real growth potential. And fourth, this one's personal. You are a consumer every single day. You buy coffee, stream music, use apps, wear clothes with logos. Understanding marketing makes you a smarter consumer. You'll start to see the strategies behind your purchasing decisions, which gives you more control over those choices. Now, let's look at marketing in action. Because once you understand what to look for, you'll see it everywhere. Think about shopping in a physical store. The obvious marketing elements jump out at you. Signs promoting sales, products arranged on shelves, recognizing brands. But there are non-obvious elements working on you too. The colors of the store design, the scent they pump through the ventilation system, even how employees are trained to greet you. All of these are carefully crafted marketing decisions designed to influence your experience and behavior. Then there's virtual reality. And I don't mean VR headsets. I'm talking about your digital world. Social media ads that seem to know exactly what you're interested in. Online shopping platforms that remember your preferences. Influencers promoting products seamlessly into their content. This is marketing adapting to where you spend your time. And here's the kicker. Marketing follows you home. Look around your house right now. Products, brands, logos, they're everywhere. Your kitchen, your closet, your bathroom, every single item represents a marketing success story. Let me give you an example. Lululemon. When you walk into a Lululemon store, you're not just shopping for athletic wear. The store has soft lighting and a clean, minimalist design. That's intentional branding. There might be a yoga class happening right there in the store. That's experiential marketing. The employees, called educators, are trained to build relationships with you, not just make a sale. That's customer engagement strategy. On social media, Lululemon doesn't just post product photos. They share lifestyle content, fitness tips, and user-generated content from their community. They've created a hashtag movement with things like #TheSweatLife. They're selling you an identity and a lifestyle, not just leggings. And when you wear that Lululemon logo, you've become a walking advertisement, part of their brand community. That's marketing working at every single touch point. So, what exactly do marketers do? Let's break down 3 core marketing activities. First, advertising. This is paid media designed to draw you into a company, product, or message. It could be a YouTube ad, a billboard, a sponsored Instagram post, or a TV commercial. The key word here is paid. Someone invested money to get that message in front of you at that specific time and place. Advertising creates awareness and generates interest. Second, branding. This is about creating a name, symbol, or design that identifies and differentiates one product from another. Think about the Nike swoosh, the Apple logo, or the Coca-Cola script. You recognize these instantly, right? That's successful branding. But branding goes deeper than just a logo. It's the entire personality and promise of a company. It's what makes you choose one product over another, even when they're functionally similar. Third, sales. This is the process of actually selling a product or service. And the ultimate goal is to create an exchange. You give money, and in return, you receive value. Good salespeople don't just push products. They solve problems and build relationships. Sales is where all that advertising and branding comes together to create an actual transaction. These three activities, advertising, branding, and sales, create a comprehensive strategy to reach and serve customers. So, there you have it. Marketing isn't just some abstract business concept. It shapes society, drives business success, offers amazing career opportunities, and influences your daily life as a consumer. Once you start seeing marketing in action, you can't unsee it.